Google Business Profile has a feature that works like a mini social media feed, directly on your Google listing, visible to anyone who finds you on Google Maps or Google Search. Most businesses have never used it. The ones using it have a consistent ranking advantage. Today, I am going to show you exactly what it is, why it works, and a 5-minute weekly system to make it happen. Google Business Profile posts are updates you publish that appear on your listing in two places: your Google Maps profile and your Knowledge panel in Google search results. They look like social media posts: a photo, a few lines of text, an optional button linking to your website. They live on your profile for 7 days for standard posts, or until you delete them for event and offer posts. Anyone who finds your business on Google can see your most recent posts directly on your listing. Before they ever visit your website, before they click call, they see your posts. Most businesses, 0 posts, ever. A completely blank section where there could be evidence that your business is active, current, and worth visiting. Why almost nobody uses it? People do not know it exists. The Google Business Profile dashboard is not intuitive. Many business owners set up their profile and never explore the advanced features. People confuse it with social media and dismiss it. I already post on Instagram, but Google Posts is not Instagram. It is not trying to go viral. It is sending a signal to Google that your listing is actively managed, and it is visible to customers on the exact platform where they are making their decision. People tried it once, got no visible response, and stopped. The ROI on Google Posts is not measured in likes or shares. It is measured in ranking consistency over time, and that is invisible to most business owners. How Google Posts affects your ranking. Google has 3 core ranking factors: relevance, distance, and prominence. Prominence is where Google Posts plays a role. Prominence measures how active, credible, and well-known your business appears. A business that publishes regular updates looks more prominent, more like a real, operating business, than one with a static, unchanged profile. This is not a massive ranking factor on its own. But combined with fresh photos, regular review collection, and complete profile information, consistent posting contributes to an overall signal of activity that stagnant listings cannot match. The competitive advantage: in my audit of 50 businesses, only 18% had posted in the last 30 days. That means if you post consistently, you are immediately in the top 18% on this signal, and most of your local competitors are at 0%. What to post? 5 types that work. Number 1. New arrival or service update. We now offer this service. Book today. Simple, informative, drives traffic. Number 2. Weekly special or promotion. For restaurants, salons, retail, this is perfect. Post every Monday with that week's special and a booking link. Number 3. Recent work or job completion. For contractors and tradespeople, a photo of a completed project with 1 sentence about what you did. This signals credibility and activity. Number 4. Customer story or testimonial. A quote from a customer with a brief note about why it matters. Social proof, directly on your Google listing. Number 5. Seasonal or timely announcement. Extended holiday hours, a coming seasonal service, a deadline. Scheduling AC tune-ups before the heat hits, spots filling up. Book now. All of these take 5 minutes to create. You do not need design software. Phone photo plus 1 sentence plus your website link. How to write posts that get clicks. Open with a specific hook, not "check out our great services." Something like, "We just fixed a 20-year-old water heater problem that 3 other plumbers could not diagnose." That is specific. That creates curiosity. Keep the body short, 2 to 4 sentences. End with a specific call to action. Book your appointment here is better than learn more. Include a photo. Posts with photos get more visibility. The weekly posting system. Pick a day and time. Monday morning works well. Set a 5-minute recurring calendar block. During those 5 minutes, take or find 1 photo, write 1 sentence about what is happening in your business this week, add your website or booking link, and hit publish. That is it. Done for the week. Google Business. Profile Posts is the most accessible ranking action you have not taken. It costs nothing. It takes 5 minutes per week, and almost nobody is doing it. If you want all of this, posts, photos, reviews, profile optimization, running automatically in the background, check out Ninja at the link in the description. Subscribe for next week's series. We are going deeper on every aspect of local SEO for specific industries.